we are going to learn about saturation point of salt and sugar. So first let us know about what are water soluble substances. Substances that dissolve in water are called water soluble substances. Examples are salt, sugar and turmeric. So today we are not going to learn about turmeric. So keep this aside. Let's keep this aside. And let's get started with sugar. So let us add 1 spoon of sugar first. Keep stirring it until it dissolves. So as you all can see, no crystals are there. They are dissolved. So let us add a little more amount of sugar. Now let us add little more amount. We cannot dissolve it more. So as you all can see, crystal particles down. It won't get dissolved more as it has reached its saturation limit. So at this point, we can say that this is a saturation point of sugar. So now let's keep this aside and start with salt. So this is plain water and salt. So we'll take 1 spoon of salt and stir it continuously until it gets dissolved. As compared to sugar, salt dissolves quite easily and fast. You all can see these crystals. They're not getting dissolved. So this is known as saturation point, where no more substance dissolved in water or any liquid medium. So today we are going to make lava lamp. This is to explain the concept of density. For that we need this water, oil, some amount of sugar, coloring agent and 1 tablet. This is paracetamol tablet I have used here. You all can use Eno, aspirin or any other fizz tablet for this. So let's get started. First I'll add this coloring agent to it so that it mix well. After this we'll add oil to it. We'll wait for some while so that oil and water get separated. The density of oil is lower than the density of water. That's why they don't mix well. You see they both are getting separate. After this we'll add this fizz tablet. So now I'm going to add this fizz tablet, paracetamol which I've used. Keeps moving down. Keep on adding. So now after this I'm going to add salt. So now you all can see bubbles coming up. When we add fizz tablet, it releases carbon dioxide that appears as small bubble and reaches the top and taking some water along it. Salt to it. So So today we're going to talk about water pollution in this video. So what is water pollution? Any harmful waste, unwanted waste, garbage, harmful chemicals from factory sites which are not easily decomposable pollute the water is known as water pollution. So I have many examples, so I'm going to show that in this video. Like plastics. Plastic is not at all decomposable. We all know, still we use them and throw them in the water. See, as it doesn't dissolve. I have few plastic bags. See, as you can see, it doesn't get dissolved in water. They are not decomposable. And harmful chemicals also. How factories spill oils, even that doesn't get decomposed. See, you can see how it pollutes the water. Some more chemicals from factory sites. See how it pollutes, and how, imagine how marine life gets harmed from this. This makes it really hard for marine life to survive. Due to this oil spills and everything underneath, marine life cannot survive easily. You can see such a thick layer is formed. Imagine factory sites spilling oil in river and oceans and everywhere, how it affects the marine life. It makes harder for them to get oxygen, and even plants and weeds and everything down in there. It's hard for them to survive. So with this, let's take a pledge that stop harming the marine life and polluting water, and not throw any unwanted waste in the water. Thank you.